What if I told you that walking away could be the most powerful decision you ever make? Not out of fear, not out of surrender, but because you finally recognized your worth. 2,000 years ago, Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher king of Rome, ruled an empire, but his greatest power wasn't in what he conquered, it was in what he walked away from. He refused to engage in petty court dramas, ignored slander, and chose peace over proving a point. And that's why history remembers him not just as an emperor, but as a sage. Today, we're revealing the 7 critical moments when walking away isn't just an option, it's a necessity. These are the turning points that separate those who stay stuck from those who reclaim their power. I want to hear from you. Have you ever walked away from something and later realized it was the best choice? Drop a comment below. Let's talk about the strength it takes to leave. Stoicism isn't about suppressing emotions. It's about strategic discernment. The ancient Stoics taught one brutal truth: you control nothing but your mind, and that's where your freedom lives. Walking away isn't a weakness. It's the ultimate act of defiance against what drains you. Epictetus, born a slave, said it best: "No man is free who is not master of himself." And sometimes, mastery means refusing to play the game. These are the 7 moments when staying will cost you more. Imagine this: you're in a heated debate with someone who twists your words, interrupts, and refuses to listen. Your pulse races, your jaw clenches, and for what? To win? Here's the hard truth. Some people don't want truth. They want conflict. The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. You can't reason someone out of a position they didn't reason themselves into. Every minute you spend arguing is stolen from your peace. Next time, ask yourself, is this worth my energy? If not, smile, walk away, and let silence be your victory. When people only value you for what you provide, a friend only calls when they need a favor, a partner stays for comfort, not connection. A coworker acts friendly, but only when you're useful. This isn't a relationship, it's a transaction. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. If you disappeared tomorrow, would they miss you, or just what you do for them? This week, audit your relationships. Write down 3 people who uplift you versus 3 who drain you. Distance yourself from the takers. Your energy is finite. When the past is holding you hostage, you replay that mistake from 5 years ago. You obsess over how you were wronged. But here's the irony. The person who hurt you, they've moved on. You're the one still paying rent for a past that's evicted you. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Holding on to the past is like gripping a hot coal. You're the one who gets burned. Write down 1 thing you need to release. Then burn it, tear it up, or throw it in water. Physically let it go. When the situation is beyond your control, your sibling won't quit their self-destructive habit. Your boss ignores your advice. You keep trying to fix it, but nothing changes. Why? Because it was never yours to fix. The more we value things outside our control, the less control we have. You can't control others, only how you respond. Practice the dichotomy of control. List 3 things stressing you. Circle what you can control. Focus there. Let go of the rest. When your values are being compromised, your job asks you to lie. Your friend pressures you to betray your morals. Every yes to them is a no to yourself. If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it. Compromising your values is like selling your soul on layaway. You never get it back. Define 3 non-negotiables, e.g., honesty, respect. Next time you're pressured, ask, does this align? If not, walk away. When you're being dragged into other people's drama, the office gossip, the family feud, the friend who thrives on chaos. Drama is like quicksand. The more you struggle, the deeper you sink. You don't have to attend every argument you're invited to. Their chaos isn't your responsibility. Set a boundary. I don't engage in gossip. Then change the subject or leave. When staying means betraying your future self, the job that kills your soul. the habit that destroys your health, the fear that keeps you small. Every day you stay, you betray the person you could become. You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think. Your future self is begging you to walk away. Visualize your future self 10 years from now. What would they thank you for leaving today? Do it. Your turn to walk away. Let's keep this simple. You just learned 7 life-changing moments when walking away isn't just an option, it's your power move. Here's your challenge. This week, identify one thing from this list you need to walk away from. Maybe it's a pointless argument, a draining friendship, or a habit holding you back. And here's a journal prompt to guide you. What's one situation where walking away would give me more peace? Write it down. Burn it if you have to. But decide today. Your future self is counting on you. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 7 resonated most? Have you ever walked away from something, a job, a relationship, a bad habit, and later realized it was the best decision of your life? Drop a comment below. Let's inspire each other. One of our followers, Mabel, messaged me last month. She finally quit her toxic job after years of fear. Guess what? She's now running her own business, happier than ever. That could be you. Sometimes the bravest thing you can do is walk away and never look back. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Because next, we're diving deeper into Stoic habits for unshakable confidence. Until then, remember, walking away isn't losing. It's making room for what you deserve. See you in the comments.